Hello, my name is Emily Matilla, and I will be showing you how to add events to Google Calendar. I will show you how to add events to the week and show it in the day as well. I personally am not a Google Calendar fan. I'm a bit old-fashioned, so I prefer to use a planner. Now, I know that nobody's memory is perfect, so I'll also be showing you how to set alerts on your events for Google Calendar. All of this is quite easy once you get the hang of it. However, like any new technology, it takes some time to get used to. Luckily for you, Google Calendar is very forgiving for those who make mistakes while learning. Google Calendar is also one of those technologies that require constant use and constant updates for you to get the most out of it. It works very well if you have, say, 3 kids and all of their own activities plus your work and all of your activities. You can time out all of your work schedules, school schedules, event schedules, sports schedules, and activity schedules in the free time you need to stay sane. The first thing you need to do is actually get to Google Calendar. I find the easiest way to do that is to just Google Google Calendar. I'm going to assume that all of you have a Gmail account and move right into how Google Calendar works. If you do not have a Gmail account, I recommend getting one in order to do this. Gmail and all of the Google accoutrements make your internet experience so much better. So moving right along, once you're at the blank calendar page, it should be on the week calendar. Click on any of the boxes within the week section to get started. On the vertical left-hand side, you will see times of the day that correspond with the boxes. I'm going to click on here. As you can see, a blank title box popped up. So add your event, just type in your event, birthday, and then I don't like this day, so we're going to switch it over to Saturday, and I don't want it at 12 a.m., so we're going to switch it down to 1 p.m. and add a guest. Once you add a guest, it'll pop up from your email if they're in there. And then you can add a location or conferencing so you can see if your conference is online. I'm just going to add a dog park in my state. Avenue South. So it'll pop up on Google Maps and drop-down menu so you can make sure it's the right one. And that's the right one. Add a description, and I'm just going to say awesome dog party. Party, bring your pooches. And then you can save it. But before that, let's do a reminder. Daily, weekly on Saturday, monthly on, annually on October 5th. Let's do that all day. And save it. And it'll pop up. See, Violet's birthday, and it's color-coded. Because I set a reminder, it's color-coded in blue instead of in green. If you wish to color-code it in that way, you can change everything as well. But see, you can edit your reminder, you can delete it if you don't want it. You're good. And that's how you set an event in Google Calendars. But first, here is the month, so you can see exactly what you need. Columbus Day, Violet's birthday, Halloween, and you're all set. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time listening to how to make an event in Google Calendar.